Hi, this is Thomas Barrett, and today we're going to be talking about the things that you should do after you've been involved in a car accident in Pennsylvania. Obviously, we're not going to be there with you at the scene of the collision. So, what I'm going to tell you now are things that will generally occur before you have an attorney involved in your case. The first thing that you should do is make sure that everybody's safe. After you've made sure that everybody's safe, if it is additionally safe to do so, then you should move your vehicle off of the roadway. If somebody that was involved in the collision needs medical attention, you should immediately call 911 and report that you were involved in an accident with injuries. And hopefully the dispatcher will send an ambulance to your location. Obviously, if you call 911, the police will be notified as well, and depending on the jurisdiction and the severity of the crash, they may or may not show up. One thing that's critical for people to know, if you have been involved in an accident where you have been injured by a hit-and-run driver or a driver who runs you off the road or otherwise flees the scene, it's imperative that you call the police immediately, because that may be a requirement for making what's called an uninsured motorist claim. After you leave the scene of the collision, assuming you haven't left in an ambulance, what you should do is obtain any necessary medical treatment based on the severity of your injuries. So if you have what you believe to be a broken arm, you should go to the hospital right away. If your fingers are a little bit sore, you may decide to call your family doctor and wait and see what he or she recommends for you. Once things have settled down and you're back at home, you want to call a qualified personal injury attorney so that they can take the next steps in terms of setting up your claims, notifying the appropriate insurance companies, and performing whatever investigation might be necessary in order to make sure that your rights are protected. If you have been involved in an accident and you need help with your claim, or you need help setting up your claim, or if you just have questions about what you should do, you can call our law firm and talk to me or one of the other attorneys, and we'll be happy to give you a free consultation. Thank you.